In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Smartsheet as an admin. To get started, sign into Smartsheet using an administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges because standard users may not have access to the tools needed to manage other users. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main Smartsheet dashboard and that everything has fully loaded before moving on. From there, open the Admin Center. This is where account level settings and user administration are handled. So it's the central place for managing access across your Smartsheet environment. Depending on your layout, you may find Admin Center in the main navigation or under your account menu. Click into it and wait for the page to load completely. Next, go to User Management. This section lets you view existing users, update their access, and add new people to the account. If you manage a large organization, this area may already contain a long list of users, so it's helpful to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. Now click Add User. This opens the form where you'll enter the new user's information. In the appropriate field, type the user's email address along with the required details. Be careful to enter everything accurately, especially the email address, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Even a small typo can prevent the user from receiving access. After that, choose the user's role, license, or permission level. This part is important because it determines what the person will be able to do in Smartsheet. For example, some users may only need basic access while others may require a licensed role or elevated permissions depending on their responsibilities. If you're unsure, it's usually best to assign only the level of access they need right now, since permissions can often be updated later if necessary. Once everything looks correct, send the invitation. This will trigger the account invitation so the new user can join and begin accessing Smartsheet based on the role you assigned. After sending it, return to the user list and confirm that the new user appears there. This final check helps verify that the setup was successful and that the invitation has been processed. And that's it. By logging in as an admin, opening Admin Center, going to User Management, adding the user's details, selecting the right role, and confirming they appear in the list, you can quickly and accurately add a new user in Smartsheet.